Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking a magnetic niche, because general blogs get ignored. You choose one specific audience and one unique angle, then map 3 steady content pillars. This gives you focus and repeatable ideas. Once done, draft your first 4 headlines and pick the strongest. Headlines pull readers. Make sure to set measurable goals: 1,000 visits, 5% email signups, so you can test. This early clarity saves time and makes every post purposeful. Now you build the middle, content that converts. You create long, scannable cornerstone posts for each pillar with clear H2, short paragraphs, bullets, and useful images. This keeps readers and improves time on page. Once those are live, add internal links and a primary CTA to capture emails or sales, because distribution starts from great content. Make sure to optimize a single keyword per post and test variations. This focused execution, finish by polishing and promoting. This is where results appear. You repurpose your best posts into social snippets, a short video, and an email sequence because multiple formats expand reach. Once done, run a monthly audit. Track traffic, engagement, and conversions, then update or remove underperformers. If things go wrong, first check page speed, mobile layout, and whether CTAs are visible. These fix most issues quickly, and then you iterate based on data.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.